Last week, when researching for a cryptocurrency that would do amazingly well in the crypto market, a blockchain network coin caught my attention. This coin is called the Loop Network. In this video, I will be telling y'all what you need to know about Loop networks, if this blockchain coin is a great investment in the future, the price prediction of Loop Network, and my reasons for that. But before getting into these topics, I'm Trader Nee, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, so this video could reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Firstly, what is Loop Network? Loop Network is a cryptocurrency system that supports smart contracts without the scalability and privacy limitations of earlier systems like Ethereum. Loop Network, like Ethereum, allows parties to create smart contracts using code to specify the behavior of the virtual machine, VM, that executes the contract's function. Loop Network strives to solve scalability and usability issues, without compromising decentralization, and leverages the existing developer community and ecosystem. It is an off-chain, external scaling solution for existing platforms to provide scalability and superior user experience for DApps user features. In additional words, the Loop Network is a blockchain coin. A blockchain is a public database that is updated and shared across many computers in a network. Block refers to data and state being stored in consecutive groups known as blocks. If you send loop to someone else, the transaction data needs to be added to a block to be successful. Chain refers to the fact that each block cryptographically references its parent. In other words, blocks get chained together. The data in a block cannot change without changing all subsequent blocks, which would require the consensus of the entire network. Every computer in the network must agree upon each new block in the chain as a whole. These computers are known as nodes. Nodes ensure everyone interacting with the blockchain has the same data. To accomplish this distributed agreement, blockchains need a consensus mechanism. Nodes are the real-life machines that are storing the EVM state. Nodes communicate with each other to propagate information about the EVM state and new state changes. Any user can also request the execution of code by broadcasting a code execution request from a node. The Ethereum network itself is the aggregate of all Ethereum nodes and their communications. The Ethereum virtual machine is the global virtual computer whose state every participant on the Ethereum network stores and agrees on. Any participant can request the execution of arbitrary code on the EVM. The loop chain brings EVM-compatible programmability and native cross-chain communication with loop chain using an innovative consensus of proof-of-stake and authority. Loop chain also relies on a system with proof-of-stake and authority consensus that can support short block time and lower fees. Proof of stake and authority is a combination of proof of authority and proof of stake. Blocks are produced by a limited set of validators. They are elected in and out based on a staking-based governance. Validators take turns to produce blocks in a proof of authority manner. There are two benefits for developers that are thinking of building on Loop Network. These two benefits include: 1. It's Ethereum virtual machine compatible. This means Loop Network supports all the existing Ethereum tooling, fast block time at a cheaper cost. 2. Native cross-chain transfer and communication. LoopSwap remains a liquid venue for the exchange of assets on Loop chain. Finally, the Loop chain opens the gate for users to take advantage of fast transferring and trading. These are the three key innovations that make Loop chain different from the rest of blockchain coins. These include proof of stake and authority consensus, native cross-chain communication using bridge, and expanding the use cases of Loop tokens. In addition, according to the websites, Loop Network got 3 ecosystems, which are 1. DeFi ecosystem. DeFi is an open and global financial system built for the internet age, an alternative to a system that's opaque, tightly controlled, and held together by decades-old infrastructure and processes. It gives you control and visibility over your money. It gives you exposure to global markets and alternatives to your local currency or banking options. 2. Smart contract. Smart contracts are the fundamental building blocks of Ethereum virtual machine applications. They are computer programs stored on the blockchain that allows us to convert traditional contracts into digital parallels. Smart contracts are very logical, following an if-this-then-that structure. This means they behave exactly as programmed and cannot be changed. 3. Programmable money. In Loop Network, anyone can program logic into payments. You can get the control and security of Bitcoin mixed with the services provided by financial institutions. Do things with cryptocurrencies that you can't do with Bitcoin, like lending and borrowing, scheduling payments, investing in index funds, and more. Loop Network has a total supply of 200 million Loop coins and a circulating supply of 180 million. 60% of this supply is for development, 40% for marketing, 10% for the team, and finally, 10% for buy and sell tax. Loop Network is currently trading at 7 cents. With a market capitalization of $13 million, a fully diluted market capitalization of $15 million, and a 24-hour trading volume of $200,000, which is down by 42%. For me, I think Loop Network coin is a great investment. This is because it is the fastest blockchain undervalued coin I have come in contact with. Loop blockchain network is faster and has more transactions per second, TPS, than Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, and many more. This coin won't be undervalued for so long. In case you do not know, the developers are seriously working on this Loop project. My advice for you is to buy this crypto so you won't be left out when the time for a huge pump comes. I have gotten enough bags and waiting for the moon. On the coin market cap, it doesn't show the market capitalization. I think it's a glitch or something, but Loop Network currently has a market cap of about $15 to $20 million. With this, you can clearly see how low and undervalued one of the fastest blockchain network coins is right now. Please note, I am not been paid for this. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.